Comparison between Drupal with any other CMS. How Drupal is different from other CMS. Means ease. Now we should think which CMS is more easier than the other one. Okay, so for starting, obviously you should have something in mind, some idea or the concept, what exactly you need to build. So that should be obviously with us. Then a basic sitemap needs to be created so that you in the future you have a proper architecture for that. And the main motive for a proper architecture would be for a long-term maintenance, because Drupal is a very cost-effective tool if you want to, and it's a overhead if you code in a different way. If you have a proper coding standards, if you follow all those things, its costing is very less. Okay, and being provided. Then we have the email list where you can do various reportings with it. And coming to the most important part is the eShop. It provides various modules or distributions, you can say. That is a package. Distribution is basically a package. Like if you install, you get a number of things in that, which would definitely be more than what you get in the code. So like Drupal Commerce, we used to have UberCart, ZenCart. So we have various things using which we can have our own e-store. Then blogging. Obviously it provides a good blog. Okay, so coming to the next one, just a screenshot of Drupal site, which has the blog, survey, image gallery, and a lightbox sort of feature. So this is the place where if you want to start working on Drupal, this is the place, that is drupal.org. You have all the available things here. For example, if you wish to have the core, obviously you need to get into that, download the core. Any extensions, for example, any contributed modules or themes. So since I think I should explain what is a module and a theme before I take it forward. Module is something which provides the logic or heard Drupal first time. Okay, and how many of you have already worked or in fact tried working on PHP or any web applications? So and as Shri introduced about me, my name is Surendra, and I have overall experience of around 8.5 years in this industry, and relevant experience in Drupal is around 6 years or even a bit more than that. So I'll start the session. So Drupal was founded in the year 2001. Okay, and we'll talk about the founder and a very short intro on this in the later slides.